How to install the IVO Shallow Recessed Downlight from Gotham Lighting. Before we begin, review the installation manual for a complete list of safety instructions. We recommend using an adjustable hole saw for a precise cutout when cutting ceiling openings. With a 90-degree connector on the side or a straight connector, pull the supply wires to the back of the junction box. Connect the wires together and replace the cover and secure it with screws. Push the supply conduit and junction box through the aperture along with the driver assembly. Hinge the junction box if necessary. Place the conduit into the quick disconnect enclosure and snap the door closed. If removed during installation, fasten the safety tether to the bracket on the LED module. Next, align the notches to the LED module and rotate it clockwise to lock the trim into place. This must be done before installing the module. Insert the unit through the aperture and allow the springs to pull the module and trim tight to the ceiling tile. When accessory options are ordered, they will be located in an accessory whip box or in the wiring compartment. Downlight and DMX require control connections to be made by the installer. Apart from that, the driver sled installation process will be the same. For easy serviceability, remove the LED module and trim. Then, remove the screws on the driver sled and release the wires before replacing the driver. To learn more about the IVO Shallow Recessed Downlight, visit gothamlighting.acuitybrands.com.